Hi guys, so for today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this look by using this gorgeous knee palette from Beauty Glazed. Again, I used this palette for this entire look. I created this like kind of deep plum burgundy smoky eye look, whatever you want to call it. Actually, it's kind of unexpected for me to have this kind of look today, because my first intention would be like a Japanese inspired makeup look, but I tend to fall in love with the burgundy shades in the palette that I used in this tutorial and kind of love it, and I hope you will love it too as much as I do. And without losing any time, let's get into the tutorial. So I'm starting off by priming my eyes with my regular concealer so we can have a nice blank canvas for the eyeshadows, and I'm gonna set it with some face powder as well. The reason why I'm starting off with my eye makeup today, because I haven't really explored the entire palette, but I noticed that some of the eyeshadows, the purples and the red ones in particular, are very powdery, and there's a lot of cake pack in the pan, and I don't want to mess up my base makeup, so I will do my eye makeup first today. But the pigmentation of the eyeshadows are excellent though. Now for the first color, I will use this brown shade. It's like it has an orangey brown color to it, and I'm popping it onto my crease, extending it out towards the outer V of my eye. Now I'm not really good at describing the colors because there's a ton of shades in this palette and I don't know which is which, but I'll describe it to you as much as I can. With the same blending brush, I will dip into this beautiful burgundy shade, and I'm gonna put the color mostly on the other third of my eye, and I'm slowly shaping it to form a cat eye look. I'm using a clean blending brush this time just to further blend the eyeshadows so it's nice and seamless. To further intensify the shadows, I'm diving into this deep plum color. I think this is one of the darkest shade in the entire palette. Using an angled blending brush, I'm gonna concentrate the color a bit lower than the burgundy shade, but I will drag the color towards the entire lid as well. And as you can see, I am now really defining the cat eye look with this color. For the inner half of my eye, I'm selecting this shimmery burgundy shadow. Obviously, it's not the most blinding shimmery shadows in the palette, but I think it is the perfect pair for that matte burgundy shadow that's on my lid right now. Aside from they're next to each other. Okay, perfect. And blend, blend, blend. Always blend the harsh lines. So I'm not yet satisfied how intense the eye look is. That's why I'm dipping my brush into that darkest brown shade that I have in the palette, just to add some more depth. Now I'm just wiping off the tiny fallout under my eye, but to be honest, I haven't really got a drastic amount of fallout with these colors, which is good. Alright, to prep my skin with the base makeup, I'm just gonna put a good amount of moisturizer and primer. So I'm using the Human Nature Day Moisturizer, and for the primer that I'm using right now is the Face Blur from Etude House. Alright, this time I'm gonna apply my concealer first before foundation, but later on I will blend them together at the same time using my Real Technique Beauty Sponge. So now applying my favorite contour powder, but just to mind you guys that I already set my foundation and concealer with some pressed powder. I thought I was filming it when I applied the pressed powder on my face a while ago, but apparently not. So yeah. Alright, for my cheeks, I'm using a peach blush from Sun. Alright, going back to the eye look, I'm just gonna finish it up by lining my lower lash line with the same colors that I use on my lids. And I'm just gonna line my eyes with some black eyeliner, putting up some mascara and falsies. Now I'm just using the Maybelline Master Strobing Highlighter Stick in the shade Nude for my Cupid's bow and my chin. And I just basically put on some on the bridge of my nose and also on my cheekbone. But I'm gonna top that with that golden champagne color from the same palette that I use on my eye, which is the Gorgeous Me. I'm gonna use this Maybelline lip paint in the shade Vampirant to finish off the look.